everybody. So as you see, we just pulled the drag radials off and just put some old Dookie tires on the back. Figured I'd go celebrate 10,000 subscribers. So I want to thank everybody for that. Everybody subscribes and watches the videos. Really appreciate it. Unfortunately, we didn't make it to Cruising the Coast. A buddy of mine that had a carburetor, he's gonna let me borrow, but turned into a bunch of bull crap. That didn't happen. And then I had a flat tire on my truck over there, so I had to put my only spare on it. I really didn't want to go all the way down there with it with no spare. Really just a combination of things that kept me from going. But I did get a fan, or found a fan to go on it. I just got to go pick it up. I didn't go to Cruising the Coast, so I said screw it. Ain't worried about it, but I'm gonna go get it in the next couple of days. And then since I didn't go to Cruising the Coast, I'm thinking about maybe putting a quadrijet on here off my dad's 86 around back, see how it works. Maybe I can just run it on here. I'd like to go cruise around the neighborhood and uptown or something, just go play around a little bit, since I ain't really drove this thing much in a while and didn't go Cruising the Coast, so might go play around a little bit anyhow. But for now, we're just gonna go out here on the road and see if this rig will do a burnout, celebrate 10,000 subscribers. Let's see if we can get this thing fired up and go do a little burnout. Alright, well, we made it back. Little 235s down there. They don't hook up to the road very good, as you can see. Little 350 turns them over pretty good, I must say. I'm ending this one off here. Like I said, I appreciate everybody that watches the videos and subscribes to the channel. Hopefully in the next week or so, I'll get that carburetor, that other carburetor on here, the quadrijet. Hopefully it'll work good. And we can go rip this thing around the neighborhood and through town and everything. But for now, just like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Later.